Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Galaxy. As I say, it's not quite as easy as it could be, and it's not quite as easy as Ford usually make things. To be fair, they're usually absolutely spot on, but I suppose it was probably one of the earlier versions of this system. So to delete a mobile from any screen, if we click telephone, and then you see there it says unavailable, click menu, active, menu again, debond. That's what we want to do. Now we have to navigate to the phone that you want to debond, and there you see Barry's iPhone, and then we click menu and it's debonded. That's it, no phone. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we watch out at the bottom here. Normally it will just come up because that's picking my camera up. If you go into menu, you see there BT on. Now if you were to knock that, it's BT off. So check if you're not getting any signal to start off with, if it's not showing up on your phone, make sure you've got BT on there. So that's into menu. Let me just do that again. Let's go somewhere else. So turn that down. Sorry. Telephone, no phone, menu, BT on, BT off, BT on. So BT on, that's it. We want BT on. I've probably cocked this up now because if I click on Ford Audio,
please enter the PIN code shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
There you go. The phone has come up with a PIN number of 8101. So 8101, and then we click pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so I'll click don't allow, but you click allow. And let's just see Ford Audio connected. That's it, done. It's as easy as that. Very easy to connect. Well, everything's easy when you know how, so hope that helps. Thank you for watching.